Would you like to know why we are global leaders in automotive components?
Because we are modest people, but when we work together, we achieve extraordinary things.
Fagor Ederlan is an industrial cooperative that forms part of the Mondragon Corporation, the largest cooperative group in the world. Here, we're not just workers, we are owner members. We are united by a genuine commitment to our work, to our environment, and to our future. This is one of the keys to the success and strength of our project.
Because we manufacture that invisible part that no one sees, but which makes everything work.
We manufacture chassis, powertrain, and body-in-white components designed for the vehicles of tomorrow. We offer complete solutions from design and engineering to final finishing with maximum added value.
Because we are experts in materials and technologies.
We are not just a foundry supplier. Our expertise in different technologies and the diversity of materials we work with make us unique in the sector. We manufacture with precision and guarantee, delivering quality and safety in every component.
Because innovation is our attitude.
And we don't just settle for manufacturing. We have one of the most cutting-edge technology centers in the sector with the most advanced technology and facilities, enabling us to guarantee the direct transfer of our own developments to production plants. At EduTech, we transform ideas into real solutions.
And what if I told you that we are much more than just a global company?
With production plants in Europe, Asia, North America, and South America, we provide a global response to our customers, but we are also local. We are committed to putting down roots, developing and transforming the environment wherever we are.
Wherever you are, we'll work with you.
和你一起
Y con vocês, activo.
et avec toi.
And with you.
Und mit dir.
The leading vehicle manufacturers in the sector are our customers. Being close to them allows us to understand their needs and thus offer them customized solutions to achieve their goals. We advertise and support our customers based on our knowledge and experience.
Because we believe in a sustainable future.
Sustainability is in every piece we manufacture, in how we make it and why we make it. With lighter and more efficient components, responsible processes that reduce our carbon footprint by reusing materials, minimizing waste, and using renewable energy. And with a business vision that is committed to endurance, diversification, and transformation. Because sustainability is not just a commitment, it is a legacy.
Because we know our place in the world.
Because we believe in what we do.